Hi everybody, it's Julie and I am making or putting together the packaging for the inchies that I made for a swap. So I went ahead and it's 12 inchies, 9 of them are in here and 9 of them are in this packaging, and then I have put, okay, we'll put them over there. Okay, so 9 of them are in this packaging. I put a bunny and a couple of Easter eggs on the outside of this packaging. Okay, and then the other 3 are here, which we'll take them out in a minute. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and put our inchies into this, our inchie packaging into this packaging. Carefully. Okay, this is for a swap in Swapper's Corner. And okay, so we need to make this a little bit shorter. I'm going to come up. So this is my inchies, and I have put them on popped up double stick tape, and hopefully they'll come off of here so that she can use them, because that's my understanding is that inchies are supposed to be made to be reused, and I've put mine on cereal box, so they're backed. It's a square of scrapbook paper on cereal box. Okay, so I'm going to put them in there. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to close it all the way down. Okay, so that it'll fit into this bigger packaging that I have here. There we go. Okay, so we're putting this packaging inside of this packaging. Okay, then we need to take this this red piece out of the top. Okay, and I love reusing packaging. It can be hard to do at times, like right now when my packaging ripped. So what I was doing here didn't work because the packaging ripped. Okay, so I want to make sure my egg is right side up. And then I have these that I'm giving her, and I'm just going to put them in here. They say Easter. Okay, so this is for an Easter swap. So I could just give it to her. Ah, look at, they're upside down. I said that and I still put them upside down. Okay, so. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that makes 12 inchies right there that I made. I used the really cute sticker sheets that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then the gold bunnies that were in the table, the confetti stuff that I got at Target, along with these were also in the stuff from Target. Okay, so now the rules for this swap say that your packaging is really important. And I thought, you know, I don't do anything just, I don't just do stuff. So I thought it would be fun to make a shaker card. Well, of course I made it, and it turned out really cool, and the side ripped open. So I'm not going to be able to use this like ever again. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the glue off that part. So what I've got here is I've got some of the little tiny gold flowers sequins. I have some of the peach beads that happen to be on my desk. So these are the little seed beads. I've got some of the little gold bunnies and some of the things that say Easter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over. And you see I put this bunny and he has the raised tail. And these two Easter eggs that are raised up. And I thought, well, that will help me be able to have movement in here. So now normally I would just put the stuff in here, but I already had it in, and like I said, it broke. So let's see if we can get as much into the new one as we can. And hopefully she won't get mad that... Okay, so her packaging is a shaker. Happy Easter. So I think it's kind of cute. I think it's really cute. Are we leaking again? No, some just didn't get in the thing. So let's, why is it all keeps going on the back side. Okay, so, well, that didn't work. I could have just put them in the thing. Okay, let's try. I'm going to try rolling them in from off this paper. Okay, so there we go. This is my Inchie shaker. So I hope she enjoys it. I hope she enjoys the Inchies. I think they're really cute. These stickers are absolutely adorable. And then she can use the things from the confetti in her own projects. So again, 12 Inchies for a swap in Swapper's Corner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. And have an amazing day. Bye.